Hello and welcome to MacTech Mart. I'm going to present to you this gorgeous lace little cocktail dress, which is the short version of the 35251 of the collection 2012 of Terrani Couture. This absolutely gorgeous cocktail little dress is amazing. The work on it is amazing. All the fabric, all the material used on this dress is absolutely gorgeous. They are using first quality lace that has this amazing shimmery gold-silver tone all around the dress with this very chic ivory effect that shows the shapes of the flowers and the leaves used all around the lace, all over the lace dress. What's absolutely gorgeous about this dress is the trim, which I love. The trim has this finishing of little sequins that gives this little glimpse of glamour into the dress. And the lace is all cut off all around the dress and finishes with this really sexy slit. As you can tell, this dress will look amazing on most of the body types. It's a sweetheart neckline with a very thin, sexy, luxurious little straps, all worked of crystals and pearls. That's framing the whole dress, and that finishes with this really luxurious flower type. It's placed on the side of the body to actually give you a really nice waistline and focuses the attention on the curve of your body. The dress actually has a boning. You can't tell, but I can tell you, I can feel it right now. It's a supple boning, which is really comfortable and it's not going to dig in. It's placed on the middle of the bust line to give you this really nice push-uppy effect, which you will need because it's a lower strapless. And of course the back, you have the finished lace and of course the trimming that goes all with the straps. That gorgeous dress will look amazing on most of the people, and in all of the tan it's going to look really good, no matter what's your skin type. So you can find this gorgeous 2012 collection Terrani dress on www.mactechmart.com. Thank you.